Project Fresh Start serves free vegan lunches in Australia on the 1st, 3rd and 5th Saturday of every month. All are welcome to come to Uniting Church in Frankston, Victoria and enjoy the nutritious and delicious vegan food prepared by volunteers. Furthermore, the non-profit keeps a refrigerator stocked with vegan Delectables such as pastas, curries, pies, soups, salads, puddings, baked goods and fruit. The community refrigerator is accessible to everyone, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. year-round. Furthermore, non-profit Vegan Australia recently posted on Instagram that Project Fresh Start's lunch socials have received lots of great feedback. 3 cheers, Project Fresh Start, for making healthy vegan food readily available in your community. May such loving initiatives abound in cities across the globe in the delight of heaven.